Kuya Harley was here.
Good morning. I saw a...
Gatos mo ha. Kami sa pagkanan eh.
Welcome to the Wagit!
Makawagit, welcome.
So, good morning mga kawagits. Someone is ready to go to the ocean. Hi. Of course, when you promise your kids, you have to do it. So he wanted to go to the ocean. So we're waiting because this motorcycle is not working. Because Papa was gonna take Kuya to the mountains with Lola and Lola because he doesn't really like to go out to the sea because he gets muddy and he doesn't like that. But this little one is anxious. He's ready to go.
Ay, napuro ko buo.
Ang matruya. Pasagat to ni boy. Boy. Kau dubok itu. Pasagat to semua ha.
Di palutoon din. Di lagi apon presko.
Kana presko jo na kay buhe. To kay video ra ba nyoy kuha. Main ta tug daghan.
Daghan kuha. Naagya may kuha.
Kan agam man ko. Loya naman ka lami. Naka kaon pumigahapog. Kami sa pagkanan eh. Uy, matto talaga tibo kanila ka kuno ma kana litong pagka. Basta.
Hi. What? It's a leaf.
It's a giant leaf.
It's a giant leaf. Okay, here we are back again.
Yeah.
Maybe we might find some scallops. So you happy now?
Yeah.
What?
Miss Kuya Harley episode.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should go.
And Kuya Sally didn't want to go.
That's where the white guys live. Behind you.
Yeah.
See, that's where...
Well, good morning, mga kawagits. 12 after
noon.
Oh.
And good morning,
So the last time we
guys.
were out here, it was July when at the Selby end. Kuya Harley was
Good
here.
morning.
Morning.
Tonight, Susanna's in Lula's house. She's scared of water.
Yeah, he didn't want to get muddy. So it's just
he's
you.
going to be dirty.
Yeah, he didn't like it.
Because he's eating some snacks.
Snacks from Lola's place.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you wanted to go, right?
Yeah, I want to go in ocean. I'm not going to be like a shark bug.
You wanted to go to the ocean. That's why you're here with Mama and Papa.
Whoa!
Huh?
Careful.
Hmm.
Because, and the seller said, Lula's house.
Okay.
Because he just not going in Papa's house. Because the car got broken. They can't have better things.
Yeah. Well, we don't have four-wheel cars. Well, I mean, four-wheeled car. That's why we can't go all four of us.
Just the time to go and
Nadi oy, mahal kay sa merkado katoy nato, mahal na to, naka 300 na zero tato pa no. Ato atong napalit karon 150.
So
yeah. I mean. Kumpuy da. Okay.
Oh, this one.
Unya na.
Okay, time.
Dere. What's up, dude? Hi, everyone.
That's so big. I'm going to sleep on here.
Okay. Go sleep.
Isn't it awesome?
Taob naman. Late na dahil. Hi. Sa iya harang botilya. Wa.
So, I'm going to get myself out of there.
Hello, mga kawagits. We are back. Late. Very late, but it's alright. We just want this little boy to have fun because he wanted to go to Kuya is with Lola and Lola up in the bukid. Be careful. He's trying to catch.
Stop!
Nadaghan. Nadaghang starfish. So we're here, Kamgan.
Look.
Ha?
Yeah.
Gamay.
Ayun na lang ba? Basta na.
Yeah.
Wala, dugay na kayo.
Yeah.
Sa una, daghaan ni Nikad. Grabe, karon. Bisag usawa. Bulog ka. Sige, catch ang sagbot. Hinay. Okay.
Hi guys, so we're eating some candy. Because Papa dropped the candy and he dropped the candy. Okay, I'm eating.
Oh, good noon mga kawagits. I think it's noon time already.
Look guys! Look!
So, we'll see what Papa gets. He's gonna go dive for some aninikad again. It's
Chocolate!
so long. The last time we were out in the ocean was when my kids, Harley and Sylvie, was here. That was in July. I want some seafood soup or some aninikad. So we'll see. It would have been nice if we get some swaki, but I doubt. Not out here though. So we were able to borrow a pump boat, a little one. And our little boy right here is with us. Kuya is with Lolo and Lola
Another candy!
right now because he didn't really want to go. So it's just the three of us right now. We'll see what we get. Alright, there's
Looks slimy.
looks like there aren't many aninicads at the moment.
Oh, I saw one right there. You step it! You step it! Step it right there.
It's Saturday right now.
You step it.
It would have been nice if we
Oh,
get
there's
some.
another one. That
Mano
yellow
diri
one.
katunay puti nga ninikad pa dili. Yes, we were na ni. Kamao na ni mo lang wig naaro ta diri ang kuya. Pati nga amigas sige pa
Para ka.
Hindi siya malibat ana.
Hindi ka nagaguli.
Must have food. We're not here and some water. I got some water, a little bit of water. Well, let's see. Sabi?
Nadakot to yung.
Nandakon tuyom. What is a tuyom?
Kasi ko feeling.
Sea urchin.
Koda.
Sea urchin.
Ada oy. Oy.
Ay, unsa? Naay?
Nadumon.
Naidumon?
Nadumon.
Naidumon?
Wow. Biscuit. Wala, dito. Tumong.
Naidumon? Naidagang tumong.
Tumong.
Dagay tumong.
Ada pa. Dapa.
Dagang tumong.
Dagang na.
Dagang tuyom. Dagay tuyom.
What is that? What is that?
It's just
Is
a
it going to
leaf.
jump? They have a stick.
What's
Or what the stick more?
Look, the stick.
Others.
There are some tuyums out here.
You know,
There are tuyum.
how do you get that leaf?
Ano man? Kuha.
Huh?
Oh.
Leaf. So I'm going to feed it like Chinese. Ooh. Super. Super.
What na yun siya?
I see.
What na tuyum?
Yeah. Hey, touch it.
Yeah, but they'll poke ya.
Fish.
Look at that tuyum.
Can
Down
I show
there.
his mouth? He's going to. Wait, he's going to die.
Hmm?
Kumi.
Tuyum.
Kumi.
Tumong.
Fire. Coca-Cola, despita. There's something. Food. I give it some food.
Wait lang.
Oh my god, it's a lots of tumang.
Look at all the spikes of the tuyum.
I'm not going to do that.
I am going to. I'm gonna go check to see if it's got lots of meat in it.
Was that sound? No.
Oh, look at it. Oh, look at it, Iggy. We'll see if it has.
Oh yeah, no.
Okay.
Let's see.
Mama! Look, you thought was something. Mama, I saw a black. Mama, I saw a black.
It's not much though.
Got it. He has crab.
Go on crab.
Whoa, that's Taco Bell. Oh, guys. Starfish.
Ungas gani. Pag hat lagi. Put your hat on.
Ay, pugi.
Maipit. Maipit na yung gamot. Maipit na. Ay, pugi si Papa. Nahalag ka. Papa's trying to catch some fish.
Papa, knife fish.
The little ones, the ibis.
Jump.
They're gonna be so good for dried fish.
What is that?
It's a net. It's the net. It's for catching those. Look. That's a lizard. There's a lizard.
What is that?
What is the lizard doing here?
Can I get it?
No. Don't
My
use.
boots?
No. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
What is the? He's in the pool.
Leave that lizard alone. Na masuk-sok wala ba kay Brit?
Oh, he's just swimming.
He knows how to swim.
He's just swimming. You
Yeah,
can't
he can swim.
fly.
Oh, look at that.
Mama, little buddy.
How did the lizard get here?
Let me see. Let me see. He likes
Oh, look at that.
the food. He likes the food. Mama. Oh.
Look at that. You got lots of shells already?
There's a lizard. He's escaping.
Leave him be. Leave the lizard alone.
Leave it. Bye-bye, lizard.
Okay. You need that
I
more.
can't leave this.
Put your hat on lagi kay init.
Come on now.
Papa's using it to catch fish. See?
That's Papa relaxing.
Ma, he's catching fish.
Can I go with this?
Come on.
Hey, don't say that. Looks like a deer. Driving in the car.